Okay guys, so I just sold a 2022 1500 Eco Diesel Ram, and I was struggling to get the wireless charging going. So just so you know, it's a super easy fix. My boss, the client that bought it, and myself were struggling to get it on. This light right here should be on for it to indicate that it's charging. Okay, so the vehicle just has to be on and the doors have to be closed. That's all it takes, literally. It took me about 5 videos on YouTube. I couldn't find anything that would specify that. So just so you know, doors have to be closed. That blue light will turn on as soon as you place your phone there with the screen facing you. Yep, didn't find any video that would help me with this, so I figured I will help you out. That way you don't go through the same struggle as I did. I'm Ricardo, and if you have any questions with Ram product or Dodge product, give me a call. Thank you.